Okay, we're going to learn some two-strand twisting. You guys can see what I'm doing here a little bit. If I could work this fast, oh my gosh, you know how many miracles I'd perform in a day. But since I don't, we're going to learn how to do this. And as you learn, you'll get faster. So, hey, that's the benefit. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe. Subscribe so we can learn together. All right, come on. Let's go ahead and do some two-strand twisting on some locks. Let's get it. Alrighty, so today we're learning about some hair, but it looks like we're doing some locks. We're going to do two-strand twists, okay? So these locks have been retwisted already, as you can see from the base. You're going to twist in the opposite direction that you retwisted in, if that makes sense, okay? And that's all you're going to do. You're going to go all the way down. Keep twisting as you twist, okay? And now you saw my client and just came all the way back. I don't even know. But you see what we have here. Okay, so let's do that again. I'm going to just let you guys watch how we do this. Because if you twist these locks when you're retwisting it to the right, you should be two-strand twisting to your left. And I know that might not make no sense, but practice makes perfect. Hands-on learning, I feel like that's the best way to do it. So just watch and learn. That's pretty much it, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.